Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello guys, we are a group consisting of Novina Madanti, Gusti Amalia Dinda Sriningsih, and Indah Nurhalisa. And we will present the progress of our project, which is now 70% complete. The title of our project is Classification of Natural Disaster News using TF-IDF and Naive At this stage, we have completed the pre-processing feature extraction using TF-IDF as well as the initial training and testing of the Naive model. Next, we will explain the result of this progress. Okay. Goal: classify natural disaster, new article by type flood, earthquake, landslide, and fire. To enable efficient information retrieval and analysis. Problem: unstructured news data from multiple sources com- complicates systematic analysis and timely decision-making during disaster events. Approach: implement TF-IDF term frequency inverse document frequency for feature extraction combined with Naive-Bayes algorithm for text classification. Expected outcome: accurate automate categorization of disaster news to support emergency response and decision-making process. Next, the the planning phase establishes the foundation for our classification project. We defined the research scope, identified the core problem of unstructured disaster news data, and selected our methodology combining TF-IDF feature extraction with Naive-Bayes classification. 1. Research definition. Define research detail and scope. Identified the core problem. Unstructured disaster news data complicates effective analysis. 2. Method selection. Selected TF-IDF for feature extraction and Naive-Bayes for classification. Conducted comprehensive literature review. 3. Key output. Establish clear research objective and methodology framework to guide subsequent project phase. Next, Indah.
Data collection complete or data collection post get over 2000 news article from multiple only sources to systematic web scraping technique. Key-field extraction from X article include title, context, and link. Answering comprehensive conflict for analysis. This structure approach create a raw dataset ready for the processing and label cost of or classification value. Data labeling by disaster type, text normalization, and noise removal. Data labeling as again disaster categories flood, earthquake, landslide, fear. Using keyword-based classification approach, the processing, appliques folding, leaning, punctuation, and symbol removal, and stop word removal to normalize the text data. Output, clean dataset, produced, label, and process dataset ready for TF, IDF, vector extension, and model training.
Extraction and data splitting, transforming text into numerical features, and preparing dataset for model training. TF-IDF vectorization converted text into numerical feature vectors. Feature metric, created structured representation of the dataset. Data split, 80% training set, 20% testing set. Output, Twitter metric and prepare training testing dataset. Status, PES completed successfully. Next, model training and testing. The net bias classifier was trained on the pre-processed dataset and tested on unseen data to generate predicted classification for natural disaster news article. First training phase, trained net bias on 80% of level disaster news data. Second, pattern learning, model learning, learned patterns to classify flood, earthquake, landslide, and fire. And initial testing tested on 20% unseen data with predicted classification.
Status, project progress, summary, showing complete phase and remaining work for the classification system. Phase complete out of total project milestone and remaining pieces, evaluation, analysis, and final report. Next steps, calculation accuracy metric, compute precision recall, F1 score, and overall accuracy to quantify model performance. Control confusion metric, build and visualize confusion metric to analyze classification result across disaster categories. And then interpret result, analyze evaluation metric to understand model behavior and classification patterns. Next, identify strengths or weakness. Determine which disaster types are classified well and where improvement are needed. Optimize model. Fine-tune parameter or adjust processing based on evaluate finding if needed. And prepare final report. Complete findings, methodology, and result into comprehensive final report and presentation. And
this concludes our presentation of the project's progress up to the 70th stage. Currently, the system has entered the model training and testing phase, and we will subsequently conduct an evaluation and analysis of the result to refine the model. Thank you for your attention and for this opportunity. We greatly appreciate constructive criticism and suggestion. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke.